Welcome to a new era of fuel.
Hey! What you've just seen is carbon dioxide being taken out of the air and turned into gasoline. That's incredible. It's truly incredible. I never thought the smell of gasoline would smell so good.
Right?
It's actual, and I can attest, it's actual gasoline from the air. And this happened right here in Manhattan. Right here in Manhattan on the West Side. I feel like I'm here for a historic moment that future generations are going to learn about the work that you're doing here. I really want to congratulate Eric and Mia, my cousin Mia. We're cousins. According to Ancestry.com, we're cousins. How cool is that? And all of the people who made that possible. When people think about New York City, we think about the fashion industry, the finance industry, the arts and culture industry, the pop culture industry. We don't really normally think about cutting edge science, but cutting edge science is happening in New York City right now, and it's happening right here on the west side of Manhattan. And I'm so proud of all of you, and I'm so proud of all that. So let's go forward and transition completely away from fossil fuels now. Not as soon as possible. Let's do it now, because the planet is depending on it. If we want a planet for the next generation, if I want my niece and nephews to have a planet, it's going to depend on the work that all of you are doing here. Congratulations, everybody.
Me and I, we founded this company 5 years ago with a couple of objectives in mind. First of all, we wanted to bring climate solutions into the hands of everyday people and away from the opaque and obscure domains that we cannot see or touch. Another reason, which pertains to my academic background, is that we firmly believe that if you want to make something fast and cheap, you had better mass produce it. And we're seeing evidence of that around us in the energy space, well, as we speak. So we have, like I said behind me, a machine that makes gasoline from air, water, and electricity. It's drop-in ready. It can be put into any car, and we get to keep and use the existing infrastructure. Isn't that amazing? I think it's a good time to inaugurate this new era of fuel. 3, 2, 1. Woo! We now look forward to the next leg of our journey. We built number 1. Now, wait and see when we build number 1 million and beyond, because that's how we're going to make an impact.